You guided me when I was lost. You supported me when I was weak. You have enlightened me all through. For all you share, for all you do. For working hard, for being you. For being there day in, day out. Thank you is what today is about. I, Sanvi of 4B, on behalf of all the Martinos, thank all our teachers who help us to unleash our potential, to mark the occasion of Teachers' Day and to celebrate the presence of teachers in our lives. Our primary wing munchkins have prepared a sweet program. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin.
Good morning, ma'am and my friends. My name is Soumya Sapradbi Clark. My heartiest wishes to all the teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day. I wish to all the teachers joy and happiness. A teacher is a who guides us and supports us and teaches us. Thank you, teachers, for making me better day by day. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Good morning. I am Anya. I study in prep class. My topic is Teachers' Day. I am singing a song. Oh my teacher, love you teacher, love you teacher. Working hard too. So thank you. Thank you for making a home. Happy Teachers' Day, teacher. प्रभात, मेरा नाम श्री है। मैं कक्षा 1 में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आपको अपने प्यारी मैम के लिए कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। मैडम मेरी कितनी अच्छी, हम बच्चों के जैसी सच्ची, खेल खेल हमें पढ़ाती, ढेरों अच्छी बात बताती। हम बच्चों की प्यारी मैडम, सबसे अच्छी न्यारी मैडम। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे मैम, थैंक यू। Good morning everyone, my name is Divyan Sharma from class 1B. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day in the memory of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. I wanted to greet and thank all my teachers for their efforts. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Thank you once again. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Brahma, Tasve Shri Guruve Namaha. Good morning, respected teachers and all dear friends. My name is Lord and I am in class 2nd B. We are here to acknowledge the contribution of our teacher as multitasking educational rockstar. My teacher is superhero. My teacher is best, who never ever rest, who works very hard to make a shiny star. You like mother to me, that's why I'm never afraid to do anything. Be thankful to you for all you have done, dear teacher. You are number 1. Thank you. My name is Harshtanva. I study in class 2nd A. नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के प्यारे टीचर छोटे हाथों से तुम इतना काम कराते हो, हम रोज शैतानी करते हैं, तुम रोज हमें समझाते हो। हम छोटे छोटे हाथों से तुम इतना काम कराते हो, हमें चॉकलेट की चिंता और टॉयज की फिक्र। नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के प्यारे टीचर्स, सीखा हमने तुमसे वर्ग अक्षर। मछली जल की रानी है, तारा इतना दूर है, मैंने सिखाया मुझको नन्हे से एक फूल है। मछली जल की रानी है, तारा इतना दूर है, तुमने ही सिखाया हमको नन्हे से एक फूल है। हमें पिज़्ज़ा की चिंता और बर्गर की फिक्र। नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के प्यारे टीचर्स, सीखा हमने तुमसे ही वर्ग अक्षर। नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों के प्यारे टीचर्स, सीखा हमने तुमसे ही वर्ग अक्षर। थैंक यू मैम। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Teachers Day, ma'am. My name is Sumil. I am from class 3rd. I am going to play Teachers Day song. We love you, teachers. We thank teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We thank teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. सच्चे दिल से कहते हैं हम, आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you, teachers. We pray you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. We love you, teachers. We pray you, teachers. We thank you, teachers, for everything. Thank you for everything, ma'am.
One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Abida of class 3rd A. Today I will speak on the topic role of a good teacher in student's life. A teacher is a key who is responsible for the success of an individual. After parents, teachers play an important role in molding their students. They have the ability to shape our future. They give us purpose and inspire us to be a good citizen. Teachers are the great source of knowledge and prosperity to which anyone can be benefited to whole life. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our principal ma'am, Mrs. K. Sudha, for supporting and making our school shine. We are forever grateful for your impact on us and on the school. I would also like to thank our teachers for guiding us, supporting and making us and more thoughtful person. So, on this occasion, I wish our principal ma'am and teachers a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Good morning, students. Please sit down, all of you. Settle down fast and don't make noise because I am going to take your attendance. Roll number 1, Abhilasha.
Yes, ma'am.
Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Shrishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Tahi.
Yes, ma'am.
Zahir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, pay attention and don't make noise because I am going to introduce myself to you. My name is Miss Archita Pathak and I will be teaching you SST. Well, SST is an interesting subject. Can anyone tell me what is the full form of SST? Yes, Abhilasha, tell.
Ma'am, it's social studies.
Good, Abhilasha, you are right. The full form of SST is social studies. In this subject, you will study about various aspects of human society. And I will make sure that you all have a great time studying with me. Thanks. Good morning, students. Take out your notebook and show me your work. What everybody has in their doing your homework? Bring your daily card and get it sent by your parents. Hi, my name is Akshay Kundev. I am from class 4C. This is something I am missing nowadays. Thank you to all my teachers for effort that you make to bring best out of us. I wish all my respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, दिल है छोटा सा।
महसूस हुआ है लाइफ की गाड़ी में कस के मारा ब्रेक, हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख, यही उम्र है पहले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है पहले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है पहले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है पहले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों और मेरे आदरणीय गुरुजनों को नव्या चौधरी क्लास 13A का प्यार भरा नमस्कार। आज मैं आपको शिक्षक दिवस पर एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। कविता का नाम है हमारे जीवन में शिक्षक का महत्व। माताएं देती नवजीवन, माताएं देती नवजीवन, पिता सुरक्षा करते हैं, लेकिन सच्ची मानवता शिक्षक जीवन में पढ़ते हैं। सत्य न्याय के पथ पर चलना, सत्य न्याय के पथ पर चलना शिक्षक हमें बताते हैं। जीवन संघर्षों से लड़ना शिक्षक हमें सिखाते हैं। शिक्षक एकमात्र वो दाता है, शिक्षक एकमात्र वो दाता है जो सबका ज्ञान बढ़ाते हैं। ज्ञान के पथ पर ही शिक्षक सबको सन्मार्ग दिखाते हैं। ज्ञान दीप की ज्योति जलाकर, ज्ञान दीप की ज्योति जलाकर मन आलोकित करते हैं। विद्या का धन देकर शिक्षक जीवन से भरते हैं। शिक्षक ईश्वर से बढ़कर है, शिक्षक ईश्वर से बढ़कर है, यह कबीर बतलाते हैं। क्योंकि शिक्षक ही भक्तों को ईश्वर तक पहुंचाते हैं। हम तो ठहरे मूर्ख ज्ञानी, हम तो ठहरे मूर्ख ज्ञानी, बस मांगे विद्या की भीख, कड़वी मीठी जो भी देते सबसे ऊपर उनकी सीख। शिक्षक का महत्व ना होगा कम, शिक्षक का महत्व ना होगा कम, चाहे कर ले कितनी भी उन्नति हम। इंटरनेट पे हर प्रकार का ज्ञान, इंटरनेट पे हर प्रकार का ज्ञान, पर हमें अच्छे बुरे की ना है पहचान। जीवन में कुछ पाना है तो, जीवन में कुछ पाना है तो शिक्षक का सम्मान करो। शीश झुकाकर श्रद्धा से तुम बच्चों उन्हें प्रणाम करो। धन्यवाद।
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए क्या होता है ऑनलाइन क्लास में, कैसे टीचर्स को नहीं समझते। ये हैं बच्चे आज के, टीचर्स हमें पढ़ाते हैं, हमें समझते हैं, हम बच्चों का भविष्य बनाते हैं।
राहुल, बेटा राहुल, उठो बेटा, 8:45 हो चुके हैं और 9 बजे से आपकी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस भी है। जल्दी उठो, क्लास नहीं लगानी है क्या आज?
क्या मम्मी, इतनी जल्दी क्यों उठा दिया आपने?
आओ आओ, जल्दी आओ।
आ रहा हूँ।
क्या पढ़ूं यार, मेरी नींद ही खराब कर दी इस ऑनलाइन क्लास ने। ओह वाओ, आइडिया! ऐसा करता हूँ, कैमरा ऑफ कर देता हूँ और सो जाता हूँ। और अब मैम को पता भी नहीं चलेगा।
जल्दी से रेडी हो जाती हूँ, मैथ्स की ऑनलाइन क्लास भी तो है, कुछ भी मिस नहीं होना चाहिए। ऑनलाइन पेपर भी तो आने वाले हैं।
ओह शिट, 12 बज गए। अभी तो कितना काम बाकी है। सुबह जल्दी भी तो उठना है। घर का काम खत्म करके ऑनलाइन क्लास लूँगी और फिर उसके बाद अगले दिन क्या पढ़ाना है उसकी तैयारी भी तो करनी है। प्रेजेंटेशन, वीडियोस, असाइनमेंट और भी कितना कुछ। और उसके बाद 5 बजे स्टाफ मीटिंग भी तो है मेरी जूम पर। और फिर डिनर की तैयारी करूँगी। पूरा दिन कैसे निकल जाता है कामों में, पता ही नहीं चलता। ऐसा लगता है जैसे खुद के लिए टाइम ही नहीं है अब मेरे पास अब। हेलो, हाय प्रिया, कैसी है?
मैं अच्छी हूँ राहुल, तू बता।
बस यार सही हूँ मैं भी। इस कोरोना वायरस के चक्कर में ना मैं तो ऑनलाइन क्लासों से तंग ही आ गया हूँ।
क्यों, क्या हुआ राहुल?
यार मुझे तो ये ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई ना समझ ही नहीं आती है। मैं तो कैमरा ऑफ कर देता हूँ और टीचर्स को पता भी नहीं चलता है मैं पीछे से क्या करता हूँ। यार टीचर्स के लिए तो कितने मज़े की बात है ना ही स्कूल में क्लास लेना, ना ही स्कूल में देर तक खड़े रहना, और तो और नोटबुक चेकिंग से भी छुट्टी। और काम ही क्या होता है टीचर्स के पास।
राहुल, तू क्या कह रहा है? तू जानता भी है टीचर्स हमारे लिए कितनी मेहनत करके हमें ऑनलाइन क्लास देते हैं। स्कूल में तो उनकी ड्यूटी सिर्फ 6 आवर्स की होती थी, लेकिन अब तो उनकी ड्यूटी 24/7 हो चुकी है। उनकी भी तो फैमिली है। टीचर्स हमारे लिए दिन रात काम कर रहे हैं ताकि ऐसे टाइम में हमारी स्टडीज इफेक्ट ना हो। हमें तो उन्हें थैंक यू कहना चाहिए।
हाँ प्रिया, तू एकदम सही कह रही है। यार मैंने तो अपने आप को टीचर्स की जगह रख के सोचा ही नहीं। थैंक यू प्रिया मुझे समझाने के लिए। अब से मैं रोज अच्छे से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अटेंड करूंगा।
Teachers are the backbone of a nation. They guide and shape the destiny of the students. But these days, students are taking teachers for granted. Our teachers are incredible as they are leaping with zeal, commitment and creativity into this new way of online teaching. We must take a moment to appreciate the efforts of our teachers who are leaving no stone unturned to provide a suitable learning environment. Thank you.
Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. With this quote, I would like to end our program and wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Teacher. Being one is the highest privilege, and having one is the biggest blessing. Happy Teachers Day to all the respected teachers of our school.
Teacher teaches from heart. A very warm good morning to everyone. I, Vanshika of class 12A, would like to show my gratitude to all the loving teachers. I want to thank you not just for being a good teacher, but for being a caring second mother. I want to thank you not just for being my teacher, but for being a guide and a mentor. I want to thank you not just for helping me out, but for motivating me and melting away my doubts. Yet determined you taught me, putting me to the test. Encouraging my effort? Yes, you made me do my best. Some lessons were a challenge, but you taught me how to go. Each day I grew with the confidence, ability and hope. Today I really want to appreciate you. You made me learn through fun. Thank you very, very much for all the efforts you have done.
Good morning everyone, my name is Priyanshu Desaiwal and I am from class 12B. On the occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to say that teacher, you are so fun. I am so glad that you are mine. I can't wait to go to school. You help me learn and you are so good. When I graduate, I know I will remember you wherever I go. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
I came into your class to learn and to grow. But what surprised me the most was the love you have shown. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am and all my dear teachers. Today, on this special occasion, I, Anushka Nag of class 12A, would like to convey my appreciation towards all my dear teachers. Every day, all the hard work you put in for us does not go unnoticed. Thank you for everything. Teachers, you have been my friends, philosophers, and you have shown me the path. You have encouraged me to dream. Thank you. Teachers, as our school motto says, light begets light. You are the candles that consumes themselves to light up the path for us students. What you have written on the blackboard of my life will never be erased. Thank you for everything and have a happy Teachers Day.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength is a teacher. A very warm welcome to our Honorable Principal Ma'am, dear loving teachers and all the fellow students. Greetings to all. Today, I am Kashish Sharma of class 11B and overwhelmed as I stand here before you all to express the feelings of gratitude on behalf of all the marginals towards our loving and hardworking teachers. Today is an auspicious occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of our dear teachers who are molding each one of us to become the finest individuals. Teachers Day is celebrated as the third anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who himself was a great leader, scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers, we want to let you know that you have truly been a blessing in disguise for each one of us who guide us and lead us into the path that brightens our future. Since our inception in the school, we have always looked up at the teachers who have been our guiding light and treated us with their unconditional love that overflows from the bottom of your hearts. Teachers, we feel fortunate to have been blessed with such wonderful teachers who are always endeavoring to groom the students into the finest of individuals. Teachers, you stand tall as the pillars of our country and you always guide us and shape the destiny of each one of us. I am sure that teaching online is a challenging task, but we feel privileged to have such amazing teachers who impart education to us by this new arena by embracing it exquisitely. Teachers, we want to let you know that you have truly been an inspiration for each one of us. It is extremely motivating to see you all work hard 24/7 and be available to clear all our doubts. Every day is a blessing because of our dear teachers. Your selflessness and immense love have helped us face through any of the situations and helped us grow in the right path. Teachers, it is because of you that we are able to have the skills that we do right now. No token of appreciation will be enough to thank you all for what you all have done for us. Now, before I end, I would like to thank all my teachers for the hard work, sacrifice and efforts they have put on us so as to make sure that we move on in the right path. Teachers, we feel safe under your watchful eyes and your protective cover. Teachers, we feel gratitude that you let us understand that we can face face any situation in our life, and that made us understand we can overcome any failure by just making us realize that failure is just a stepping stone towards success. Once again, wishing all my teachers a very happy and joyful Teachers' Day. Thank you, and may you have a great day ahead.
A warm welcome to one and all. My name is Sonal Digra and I am from class 11C. Today, I'll be taking you through a ride of fun and entertainment on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. Our deep gratitude for our lovely teachers is expressed through various dance performances and pantomimes. With this, now we begin our expression of love to our dear teachers with a folk dance by Manvika Rawat of class 6A. Dancing with such a great zeal and passion. It was lovely watching you. We often do wonder what is a teacher. Aditi from class 11A will enlighten us on the topic.
Respected Principal Ma'am and my dear teachers, I, Aditi Sinha of class 11A, is dedicating a poem to my beloved teachers. The topic of my poem is, what is a teacher? A walker, a talker, a corridor stalker, a leader, director and tactful corrector, a role model, tutor, a whiz with computer, a natural persuader, a daily first aider, a reader, a writer, reports all-nighter, a printer, protector, a problem deflector, a marker, a setter, a sender of letter, a natural orator, a known confiscator, a divider, decider, a spare pen provider, a cutter and sticker, a fair-minded picker, a debater, relator and smile reinstater, a pairer, a carer, a lesson preparer, a defender, a lender, a broker and mender, a creator, inventor, inspiring mentor, a smiler, a filer, a stay back, a whiler, a parent reminder, a lost property finder, a keen finder outer and sometimes a shouter, a describer, reviser and trip organizer, a thinker, a winker, a covered in inker, and on your cider and staff room resider. That's what makes a teacher. Thank you.
I think all of you agree that there are many dimensions to define a teacher. From scoldings to love, from reprimandings to pats, and from textbooks to the world. Teachers are the ones who have lit a spark in us. It is your love, affection and enthusiasm that has flourished the spark into a raging fire. I am privileged to be one of those students who were groomed under your tender
11D, and today I am here to wish my teachers a happy Teachers' Day. Dear teachers, thanks for inspiring hope in me, igniting my imagination and instilling in me a love of learning. Happy Teachers' Day. We will always be thankful to you for all the hard work and efforts you have put in for educating us. Happy Teachers' Day and stay well. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Sanskriti Sharma from class 12P, and on the occasion of Teachers' Day I would love to present 2 lines on every teacher. A teacher is the one who takes our hand, opens our mind and touches our heart. They are the one who plants the seeds that last for a lifetime. They motivate us to achieve everything in our life and pushes us to achieve our goals. I would love to wish every teacher a very happy and a safe teacher.
Respected Principal Ma'am, eminent teachers and my friends, good morning to you all. I am Garima Yadav of class 11th B. Today I am here to express my feelings on this occasion of Teachers' Day. Today is 5th of September, a special day to celebrate hard work, dedication of our beloved teachers. Let me start by thanking my class teacher for choosing me to speak my heart out on such a great occasion. Teachers are very hardworking that they consume their whole life to build the future of their students. Teachers don't just teach subjects, they teach us the importance of honesty, discipline and hard work. Here in India, we call the teachers our second parents because parent gives birth to their children. They look after them, love and feed them. But there are more facets to it, and that's where the teachers come in. When students complete their studies, they run behind their careers, but they forget their teachers and their education. So we should look back at least once to say thank you. They are the ones who build the very foundation of our country, and this makes me respect them more than anything else. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. सुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाए हैं, डांटे या डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। डांटे या डराए हमको आँखों से, प्यार झलकता है उनकी हर बातों से। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन। You teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. हमसे अगर हो कोई thank you teachers for everything. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything. We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers for everything.
Priyanshu, your song was oozing with lots of love and sentiments for our teachers. You all know that our world is a diverse place. Every now and then we get to see blending of our beautiful cultures. Our next performers are also going to showcase one such beautiful blending.
Dhum dhum ta na 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 dhum dhum agappa. Dhum dhum ta na na de na 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 dhum dhum agasa. Ragda dhum da 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 di ra na 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 na. Da 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 dhum da 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 dhum da da dhum 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 da na 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 de na 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 dhum. Da na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Da na di ra na gama gama ma gama ba ma ga sa ni sa. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead.
Lovers is the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow.
We love you and we respect you. Hope you enjoyed this little effort from your children to let you know how much you mean to us. At the end, I would like to say that the teachers are like candles who consume themselves to light the way for others.
Teachers are the pillar of our country. They shape and decide the destiny of every student. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am and all the respected teachers over here. I am Harshita Aswal of class 12. Teachers are the most essential and responsible member of our society as professional efforts affect the fate of our art. Thank you so much.
A very warm good morning, our respected Principal Ma'am and our dear teachers. Myself, Ekta Singh. Just wanted to let you know how much your time, effort and hard work is appreciated. Thanks for being our safe zone. Someone who tried to be our friend first and a teacher later. We all owe you so much. You are not only our teacher, you are our friend, philosopher and guide, all molded into one person. We will always be grateful for your support. Happy Teachers Day!
Good morning, myself Kashi Singhal and I'm a student of class 12B. Technology is just a tool in getting your kids to work together. The teachers are the most important part in building the student's life. I'm hereby wishing you all joy and happiness. You all are amazing teachers and you all deserve the best. You are the spark, the guide and inspiration for us. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day.
Remember, one book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the world. A very warm good morning to everyone. I, Lavanya Kapoor of class 12B, would like to show my gratitude to all the loving teachers. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and to talk about the main personalities of the day, our very own teachers. Mother, father, mentor, and confident. Each day, a teacher plays all of these roles. Looking out at a sea of students, a teacher sees possibility in every student before he sees it in himself. You make a difference. Reaching out to each child to become a next great author, artist, scientist, and an architect, and a responsible global citizen. Thank you, teachers, for your invaluable efforts and guidance. Thank you, teachers, for inspiring us, for guiding us, and for making us what we are today. Once again, wishing you all teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.